Okay, guys, on today's episode, I want to show you on how to use your Brazilian rollers in a different way. And I'm going to use my conditioner, and I will use little of the secrets of the small shiny hair. And this is the hair I'm about to use now. Yes, let me teach you. We have different type of rolling. I want to use the Brazilian rollers to teach you. So I will tear it into 2 parts. Then you see how it goes. Now let's start. Let's start. Now look at it. I'm cutting into 2 parts so that you can understand what I want to do now. You see? Now, these are the parts I use for. So I'll use the other part for other ones. So let me turn off my conditioner. Got it? And this is my shiny. Can you see it? This is my shiny. No, I didn't cut it well. Okay, like this. Got it? You comb it. Comb it. Make sure you straighten it before you can. Got it? Got it? No. See it. Can you see it? Then you put it like this. This is the first time of rolling. This is the first time of rolling. Can you see? Look at it. Can you see it? Yeah. Then put it. So that's what I'm going to do on these other parts before I get to these other parts of it. Now, stay tuned. No, let me do one. I go to another. Do it the same way you comb it too. Comb it. Comb it. Now see? Can you see it? Yeah. Got it. Look at it. So now you're going to choose the one you think is more better. Can you see now? So guys, I want to start with your, see, I'm done with this part now. It's the same style I started with. Look at it. Now this one is a different style. Wash it. Let me start now. Wash it. Make sure you learn something from this tutorial. Now look at it. If you see the first one, I started from here. But this one, it's here. Are you seeing it? You lay it like this. Look at it too. Can you see? Then you bring it. See? Are you seeing what I'm rolling? Then you roll it together. You roll it together. Do that with this one. It's very easy. It's very, very easy to do. Very, very easy. Now see? Wide rolling. Look at this. Look at this one. Wide this side. Can you see? This one is extremely different from this one. See? There's a difference. And now we're going to see the coil that is more fine. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it very well. See? So right here, I'll be dried it. Look at it very well. This part is different. And this part is different. So let's start to lose it now. And see, we'll first of all lose this part to see what we got here. Then watch. Let's lose it. Look at it. Open it like this. You go on. Go on. Little by little. You bring it off. Can you see what I'm saying? Put it. Go on with this one. Go on with this one. Can you see? Look at it. Can you see what I'm saying? Then you go on with this one. You tear it off. This is it. The last but not the least on this part. See? Do you see what this coil gives to us now? Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Can you see? Can you see? Look at it, guys. Look at it. See? Look at it. Now let's unveil this part now. Let's unveil now. So that I can see the difference. You see the difference? There is difference. The difference is in the taste. Look at the difference. The whole lot of difference. So it depends on the one you like that you want to go for. Is it that you go for the large one or you go for the slimmer one, which is this one I did. So after removing it, see, look at it, what this one have given to me. Are you seeing it? Can you see? Then look at this other side. So different. Very different. Can you see it? Now let's go in with our comb to make it look sweet. See? See? Look at it. Can you see it? Look at what I'm doing now. Going with your comb to make it look beautiful. Make it look more beautiful. Can you see now? Look at what we've gotten here. Look at it very well. Look at it. Now, this other side of it. Are you seeing this part? Look at this part. This is the other side that I use it. Depending on now, look at the way it is. Okay. This is not giving, guys. This is giving. This is giving. See? See? Look at this. Look at this one. This is a different style entirely. Can you see it? Look at this one. Look at the way it is now. Look at it. See? Now look at this other side. Look at it. This is not the same thing. If you know what I mean, this is absolutely different. Different. Look. This is the one I'm saying. Look at this other one. See? See? The difference is the taste, my sister. Now, let's put everything together. Let's put everything together. They will know that this hair was used with different method of roller. So look at this one now. And look at this other part. Look at this other part. Is it not giving? Look at it. Can you see what I'm showing you? Look at it very well. See? See? And look at this part. It's giving, right? It's giving, right? Look at it. It's bouncing. Look at it. So once you are done with this, you can go in with anyone you want to do. And to make it shine, go in with your shiny flavor. Just spray it on it. And you are good to go. Bye.
Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go. The beauty house.
Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they